I'm not talking about PM that I want to become PM. But I told you that I don't even need your recognition and the praises. If you push me to be a leader now, I will not accept it. I'm not agitating for you or for anybody. You understand? So I'm not. I know why I say when I say that I actually mean that. I'm not saying that by pretense. No. You understand? I will never ever wish to be a leader of anything, about all these things. So please don't include me on that. I'm not here. You say that you want to replace him with CS. I don't want to replace anybody with anybody. I don't have the mandate or the power to replace anybody. And the issue of the update of PM, you should know that Finland said that the final time they're waiting for Nigeria to bring evidence and everything is May. So this is March, next month. Do you understand? So whatever you have to wait on the next month. Then let us see because that's what their court said. And we already know that PM is there. He's a political prisoner. So let me leave it there. If you know, you know. But I'm saying that because of people who care to know, not because I know you don't. You know your intention when you ask. You don't mean good by asking that question. So that I answer you does not mean that you have won jackpot. I'm just trying to let people who may see your comment and feel that I'm unable to respond to you to know that I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm saying. Let me call this person back. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I called you back because I think I saw your missed calls. Okay. That our brother is not ready to talk. So let us continue. And somebody said Ngozi is focused and she is working very hard to bring Biafran independent. That's from Egu John. Thank you for that. So I appreciate you when most of you make sense like that. It makes me happy. Hello. Hello, are you Ekwenche?
Hello, brother.
Or Ekwenche Neku? Or Ekwenche Kamuni Neku?
Chibuza from Mozambique.
Okay, Chibuza, welcome. Ekwenche, I want you to call on the program with your question because you said you guys don't know the truth. Call here and tell us the truth. We want to know the truth. Continue, my brother. The floor is yours. 3 minutes.
Okay. Anyway, I greet all dear friends. I said there is two things in this struggle. We have the children of God and children of perdition. If you find yourself in the USB, definitely you are a child of God. And you see, I have three things to mention in this today. One is according to what information I heard. One is building, using money to build house and in Calabar, and at the same time building a house in Asaba.
Ooh.
And now he has demolished their old house.
Who is that?
And start building a mansion in their family with the money that he's raising.
Who is the person?
Possible it is going to be because
hello, brother.
Somebody today in the net said that it is better that people, those men on ground, will come out and mention whom they are working with, because they cannot be working with our COS or USB and at the same time working with Ogenkere. So let us know whom they are working. So if
let us hear. We did not understand what you are saying.
Tell us whom they are working
Can you listen to me?
Then we know.
Can you listen to me?
You understand?
Hello. Can you listen to me?
Yeah.
You said that who is building house in Port Harcourt and this and demolition house? Who is that?
This Ogenkere. Aparawa is building house in Calabar and Uyo, and Ajere is building house in Asaba, and he has demolished his father's house and start building it a new house. You understand? So this information that I have, and this is true.